All right, ladies and gentlemen, Indira is about to sing for us. She brought the house down last night with this one. Thelma Houston, everyone was up dancing. Is that the plan for tonight as well?
Yeah, hopefully if you guys enjoy it, you know, feel free to get up and dance. But one of the real reasons why I chose this song is because at this stage, you know, you're feeling so nervous, you need to choose a song that you can just embrace the lyrics, forget about everything in the entire world, forget about the voting polls, elimination, and everything else, and just have fun. And this song makes me feel like I'm in a nightclub getting my groove on.
All right. Take the stage, Indira. Here we go. We are looking for your two finalists tonight. It's up to you who they are. Here she is, singing Thelma Houston. It's Indira.
Oh, they love it, Indira. You know, for me, the vocal match for the final made in idol heaven would be you up against Matt. That's for me personally. And I hope the public see it that way as well. No offense to Ottawa.
Indira, when you sing an upbeat song, you make us all want to get up and dance. When you take it down and you sing something mellow, we feel the emotion and you just sell it through and through. And to me, you're a true class performer. Yeah. I want to see you there.
You are a quality performer, and I want to add, you're also a great communicator. I mean, every time you've been on stage, no matter what's been thrown at you, you've always come across good. You are a good talker as well, and that will also be a big advantage to you in the future as well.
Well, Indira, what a rocking performance you just gave. Top 3. We are so close. It must be overwhelming for you right now.
Yep, definitely is. You have no idea, Dom, how nervous it makes you feel. I'm telling you, can't eat, can't sleep. I wake up in the middle of the night at 2 in the morning. I just can't go to bed because I'm like, man, top 3, I'm so close.
It's just so close, New Zealand.
Top 10. When you're in the top 10, you're just so grateful that you make it through every elimination, but top 3 is so different because you're so close. I'm like, please, God, I'll be good if you just give me it.
It's all on you, New Zealand. If you would like to vote for Indira, here are the numbers: 0900 88 288, or text Indira to 2299. She could become your idol, New Zealand, but she won't if you don't vote. It's so close. Every vote counts right now. She did good tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Indira. Woo! All right, well, our idols have had their second chance. How are you voting? Who will make the grand finale? Which idol will be going home? It's all coming up right after this, live, right here. We'll see you soon.